Hello viewers and welcome to our channel Science E-Solution. I am Manju Sharma taking bio classes, and in today's class, in a short video, we'll be going to discuss about what is the fate of ATP and NADH produced in glycolysis. As usual, before jumping into the details, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, kindly subscribe it. If you are a bio student, you will be getting a lot of beneficial lectures and presentations in our channel. So let's move into the topic. So before knowing the fates, we should know what are the products of glycolysis. After the reaction of glycolysis, we have discussed the glycolytic reactions in our previous video tutorial, of which link is given in the description box. First, kindly go through the link and learn about glycolysis, and then come to this video tutorial, because you'll be learning about the fate of the ATP and NADH produced, and how ATP and NADH are produced we have discussed in that previous video tutorial. So kindly go through the link in the description box and then see what happens to ATP and NADH of glycolysis. So what are the products of glycolysis? 2 ATP molecules, 2 NADH molecules. These two molecules, they produce energy, and 2 pyruvate molecules are produced at the end of the glycolysis, which enter citric acid cycle and produce more of the energy. But this producing more of the energy and entering citric acid cycle, it takes place in aerobic organisms only. For anaerobic organisms, glycolysis is the only way to generate energy. So ATP molecule, you can see here one glucose molecule after the glycolysis reactions. It yields 4 ATP molecules in total. Okay. Now 2 ATP are used up in the first phase of glycolysis. As I had mentioned earlier, you will be more clear if you go through the glycolysis reaction in our previous video tutorial. So 4 ATP are generated and 2 are used up in the same reaction in the first phase. So net gain of 2 ATP molecules takes place. Okay. Regarding NADH molecules in aerobic organisms, this NADH, which is generated in glycolysis, it is transferred into the mitochondria, and NADH is oxidized to NAD in the respiratory chain, and ultimately it produces ATP. So NADH also produces ATP and generate energy. Now 1 NADH molecules, it produces 3 molecules of ATP. So net gain after glycolysis, what is the net gain? We have seen 1 NADH molecule, it produces 3 ATP molecules. So 2 NADH molecule, it will produce 6 ATP molecule. So this 6 ATP molecule we are getting from NADH. Now 4 ATP molecules are produced, okay, in glycolysis. But total ATP gained is 10, because 6 plus 4 is 10. But again, ATP used up are 2 ATP are used up. Okay, so what we can see, net gain, 10 ATP are produced and 2 ATP are used up. So total 8 ATP molecules are gained at the end of the glycolysis. So net gain is 8 ATP molecules after glycolysis. But this is again for aerobic organisms. For anaerobic organisms, only 2 ATP molecules, 4 ATP are produced and 2 are used up. So only 2 ATP molecules which are produced is the only gain for anaerobic organisms. So hope you have understood this video. For more videos like this, stay tuned, subscribe onto our channel, hit the like button. Bye.